Shouldn't dry scoop your pre-workout. Here's why.
Doctors are being warned to look out for a dangerous workout trend called dry scooping.
Why is this so confusing to people? Powder, water.
Stop dry scooping your pre-workout.
It's your fault. Nowhere on a flipping pre-workout it say take the scoop, put it in your mouth, and then go and spit it everywhere.
Come on, you got it. Now take the water, take the water.
I don't really know if people realize that water is literally what facilitates the effects, the mechanism of action of many of the pump ingredients in these products.
There's a new TikTok challenge out there that could land you in the hospital or worse. It's called dry scooping.
Say no to dry scooping. It's bad for your health and it's bad for the pump, to be completely honest. It's very bad for the pump.